get lots of questions about this funny kind of weird thing in people's gardens, usually in their landscape beds, kind of where a lot of mulch is. We get lots of pictures, and we actually have it in the backyard farmer garden this week. It's just slime mold. It's kind of cool. All those rots and spots people on the panel think it's very cool, and there's a couple of them that probably try to feed it to make it move. We're just gonna let it sit. All it does is sit and break down the organic matter. It can be white like ours is, it can be orange, it can be red. So lots of different colors. If you really don't want it there, you can scoop it up and push it off to the side. You can take a stream of water and kind of wash it away if you really don't want it there. But you know what? It's just nature, and it's just breaking down organic matter. So it's kind of cool. If you want to try to feed it and make it move and keep it alive, like some people on our panel tell us to, you can try that. But it's just part of nature, and if you have it in your own landscape, just enjoy it.